Hello guys! Today, please join me as I take my car to the casa for its scheduled periodic maintenance. Um, so, what are you waiting for? Let's go! Here we are waiting for the service advisor. No? Here I am waiting at the waiting area for here at Honda CBO. I'm the only one here. Walang masyadong tao. So there's the car. The good thing here is that the SNR is just across the street, across the road. So there, that's already SNR. The car has not really given me serious problems over the past 3.5 years. There's only that one time when I just before it reached its first year, I had to change the battery, and it was still under warranty. So Honda replaced it free of charge. So that's I've proven that the car has been serving me pretty well for the past 3.5 years, and I don't want to experience any headaches or sudden breakdowns or troubles that would entail another cost and time on my part. That I will have to look for another car if ever that would happen, and if my pocket allows that. I would have to say that I would still stick to the 7-seater models. Could be an SUV or just like BRV, an MPV. My choices are the 7-seater Honda CRV. It's a bigger brother. It's just down there, and I took a glance at it earlier, and it's a really nice car, and I've been watching car reviews on the CRV. It's nice, but it's also it's very quite expensive. And my a close second, or I could say that also could be my first choice, is the Geely Okavango. There it goes for the test drive. Hello guys, we're back. We're done with the PMS. Just basic lang yun. Change oil. Let me see. Let me read the billing. Washer, brakes, HVAC, so ano siya ang aircon. And then I added the engine detailing. Like I said, syada kaayo tan-awon ang imong makina, imong engine bay nga pwedeng sinawa, murag brand new kaayo ang sakyanan. Although, yes, dili siya kakita sa gawas. So mo I took a picture while bago pa kayo siya nga i-reviewhan. So this is the warranty booklet. So it's very important na na siya, no, kumpleto ang nadiri ang maintenance record, because this will be, if ever in the future you will be, or I will be selling the car. So it's nice na you can show this booklet to the prospective buyer to prove na the imong car is kasa maintain kay malagi kunuhay. But overall, what akong objective yun is to the car to give me a reliable, dependable service. It is always roadworthy. Okay, of course, ako and my family will be riding in that car. So safety is very, very important. And one way to achieve that is through proper maintenance, periodic maintenance and checkup. So there. Thanks for watching. Till next time.